Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the planned fixes and current clearance. You must know whether the flight is IFR or VFR, and which named fixes or GPS waypoints matter. Once done, tune the navigation radios and set the OBS or autopilot NAV mode to the inbound course. Make sure the course bug matches the published radial or track. Brief immediate altitudes, speeds, and any crossing restrictions allowed. This put you in control step, reduces workload, and prevents early deviations as you begin the fix-to-fix leg. You intercept and capture the published course using a reasonable intercept angle, typically 20 to 30 degrees, so the navigation source stabilizes without overshoot. Once established, cross the departure fix while recording DME or timing. If a descent or speed change is required at that fix, begin smoothly using published vertical profiles. Throughout the leg, monitor winds and ground speed, compare track to desired course, and make small heading adjustments to counter drift so you remain aligned and on schedule toward the next fix. You cross the inbound fix and fly the published procedure or transition, make the required descent or hold entry and prepare for the approach or next en route segment. Once done, immediately set the next fix or waypoint into the flight plan, confirm the new course and altitude, and brief any changes allowed. If navigation errors or unexpected guidance occur, switch to manual navigation, cross-check VORs, DME, GPS, and standby instruments, and fly a stabilized heading while troubleshooting to preserve safety and positional awareness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.